Hi, stupid. What you doing today? I'm gonna kill you.
Hey.
No, that's doing the building. Or it is doing the video. A video. So, somebody's gonna be killed. That's not my family. And that's not my dad, my mom, my sister, and my dad. And my daughter. And my father. And my daddy. Okay, that boy Poopy. That's my Toopy. Oh yeah, that's my pants. I know, that's Turbo. He's laying down. I know he is. That brings his milkshake. And over there is my family.